So now we're down to the final 10 Jamaican scenes.
Like seriously?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Speaking
cool.
of that, coming at the number 10 position, you know.
Really, don't it?
Yes.
Oh my God, seriously?
So number 10 is like, seriously, who normally use that?
Well, more like uptown people normally use it still,
Like,
you know?
oh my God, Shakira.
Okay, like seriously,
Like,
you need
seriously?
to stop. You need to stop. Okay, because we don't sound like that.
Seriously?
We don't sound like
So
that.
in the thought, Shakira.
No, number 9 is actually Yaar Sample.
It's like, yeah, like say, you just say, you know, say you jump off a building today and you say, Yaar Sample, you know, Jano, you know them things there?
No, very well, go jump off buildings.
But it's just an example.
Which is a say.
You can't just work with an example.
Alright. So me I jump down the building and he's like, yeah, Yaar Sample, you know. Yeah.
No, it's like after me come and share the story thing, yeah, because the boy that you there, you know,
Right,
you know. So number 8 is
Yazid and
Slash you
Yazid.
don't know, yeah. Yazid don't know, the variation.
Yeah, but how you know when to use it still?
People normally use it as a vocal filler. People don't know it's about, it's like, you know like people that use the word like,
Yeah.
but like when I say, me and somebody a fight and me I tell about the story. And me I say, you back on my face, Yazid. And then kick me down my back, you know, Yazid and use it like that. It's like I try to tell you, say, you understand what I say?
Yeah.
Just,
Alright, so number 7 is actually due to I know some more females use this expression still.
I hate it.
Why you hate it?
I just don't understand it too. It is just people just use it just for
I like
any
it.
reason.
No, I like it. I
And there are
think it's fine.
certain type of people who use it more than others.
Well, that's true still, especially people on them BBM and Twitter.
Yeah.
You know, are just regular
But
conversations.
I just think it's stupid. Like due to what is that really saying?
Due to has a lot of meaning to it, guys.
Alright.
It's like, alright, listen.
Yeah.
Alright, say that you was going to a party. Alright, this is spirit to come up.
Yeah.
And you know, and you already done buy the ticket and beer things.
Yeah.
And it's like your friend said, due to you never tell me say you go. Alright, when I called you. It's like all of a sudden you're gonna know without me, yo, it's a lot of attitude, and that's why females tend to use it more than males.
Yeah, I can't say you to say. Due to you're supposed to reach a basketball practice.
Yeah, because it has more attitude to it, so that's really why we use it.
I hate it though. I don't like it.
6 is the one me can't stand.
Why is
Big
that?
man thing.
No, but
Really?
people
Really? More males use that.
Yeah,
You
people-
ask me if I talk.
People remix it and say big man thing, you know, because you know the whole, you know.
Actually, we don't. We
But
just
what
man
is
it
the thing?
out and it's like,
Do you know what is the
big
thing?
man thing.
No, when you say big man thing,
What does that
what
mean?
thing you talk about?
Why? Me, I question it the same way, you know.
You have a little woman thing too. And little man thing, we don't understand it. What big man thing, big way you try to say.
You know what? Sinners do the two we don't know. Maybe we should just ask a person that out there, the guy in the red shirt, what is it?
No,
You
not
ask?
the you're going to ask.
Yeah, come now ask.
You try.
David, better him answer. Hi, excuse me. Guy in the red shirt. Can I ask you a question, please? Huh? You have a kiss now? Alright. Okay, so look at the kiss though. Darling, can I ask you something for a second? I was saying number 6 is big man thing. You use that expression? Hardly. But do you know what it means though?
Big man thing.
Yeah.
Serious thing, it doesn't mean something serious.
And you find that males use it more than females? Or
Yeah.
anybody can use it?
I think anybody can use it.
Okay.
But then I find that people saying big woman thing, and I find that
For real?
strange. Yeah.
Alright, well thanks anyways.
Alright.
You get wet. You get wet, Barry. Alright, so number 6 guys is big man.
Yes, so in the number 5 position we have,
Naah Look on you.
yeah, who uses that?
What's up with question there, Barry? Really who?
Who is it? I have a lot of friends, right? And I hear me keep on hear this thing, but now look at you, like me don't understand. But we just called my friend a while ago, and him just kinda tell me say, it's like say, if me go to the same dream screechy,
Yeah.
over probably all your sister yard.
Oh,
And like how you
snap!
said, no, like me I tell me I go dream screechy over somebody and I say,
Yeah.
nah, look for you, and like you say, you know, I don't even want to know where you
Yeah,
are going,
go do. Yes,
It's like,
yeah.
I turned my idea that way, but even want to know
Yeah.
where I'm going. So that's really, really mean.
That's a Jamaican say.
Yeah, I look at you. Yeah, I
that's
look at you, I look at nothing like you, but that's it.
Oh,
But I
that's
understand
cool.
it still because if you not look at me, I will look at it.
Damn. Running into number 4
Number 4
is actually,
Is
what is it? You uptown. Yeah.
Boom. Number 4.
We say, get this book to get to the answer, because the number 4 are we say slash a me say. Yeah.
No, that is a get the expression. I don't like it.
I love it, okay?
You know that I watch the little get up video and girl like, I wish I look good, I wish I hype, I wish I
And we say good nails.
I just see the
I don't know, come down to downtown to go look sharp, you know, so we say look good.
Yeah, what who is the we?
We mean
Who are the
people in
backside
general
of
who look as good as me, simple as that, you know? I'm
Yeah, but
just
everybody
saying.
talk about we now. Vibes got to talk about we too. Who is this we and you talk about
And
one
we
person?
say bleach, because you don't know so the face have to look cool, simple.
So in the number 3 position we have Can I Tell You, Shakira, what you have to say about this?
I really and truly, I don't know when to use it, but I got my friend here, Laron. Yeah, Laron, just tell him when you can use, can I tell you?
Can I tell you? Well, whenever somebody say anything that's obvious, they say, can I tell you?
Oh, okay, so you have a little example you want to give me? Anything like a party scene, a school scene?
But you know, so the sun hot today.
Can I tell you? Oh, I get it, yeah. Alright guys, so number 3 is can I tell you? Thanks a lot. Alright guys, number 2 is I hear you.
I hear you.
Yo, you see if you have a nice, juicy argument you have to talk about with your friends or your family, and it's like, them say something, and it's like, them a lie to you, but you be like, yeah, I hear you.
No, like it, because anybody I hear say, I hear, say, but I always feel say I lie. You know, say, boy, you know, say, I'm graduate you with honors and Ian boy and call me some different profile next week.
I hear you.
And then somebody else say, I hear
Yo.
you. And the way them say it, it's not like, you know, I'm name
It's
now.
a lie?
I say, yeah, let me say.
Very
anything what you
FYI,
want.
it is a lie.
You don't
But
know
I'm
that.
just saying.
But that's not
Number 1, guys. Number 1, yeah.
Number 1.
What's number 1?
I'm if you tell you.
Oh, you know.
So you not tell me what you know.
Yeah, I'm if to tell you.
So tell me.
I'm telling you. But I'm me to tell you.
So for the no, you're my co-host. Who else try to tell me?
Mi Fi Tell You is number 1, guys. It's so tricky, son. Alright, don't talk. But really, when you can use it?
Why ever do this?
Why? I'm going to tell you. You're right about now. I think you can use it in any little conversation you have with your friends. Like, you're selling them something and it's like they understand what you're saying and they're like, yo, I'm going to tell you, like, no way I talk about because we probably experienced it before.
I mean, I say.
But guys, that's your top 20 Jamaican sings. Catch us next time on another episode of the Dirty Berry Show. Good? If you have muffin BB yet.
Wait, I never this about anything. You just end the show without me.
No, well, I had to because you were like on your BB. What? Me
Like,
have a
seriously?
BB? No, really?
Like, seriously?
Really now?
Due to all my tell you, say I so kick you off for this show.
Listen to me. Nobody try that with me enough.
You know
Oh,
what?
you know.
You know?
That's not fair.
Going from there.
Oh, you see
I
it?
must say, everybody they watching this video, make sure that you subscribe to us on YouTube.
That's
Join
right.
the Facebook page, Dirty Berry Show, at Facebook. The group page. Yeah, you can find Pepita on Facebook if you want. Say and all them something there. So that,
About it, very heavy. You have anybody to big up. You know, so you have a whole long clan of people you want to talk.
big up who? Big up every single body who's going to be at the Jam Fit cheerleading thing next month because I'm such a big high school fan.
That's true still.
Yeah, I have a lot of high school peeps, so big
Yeah,
up.
you're looking at the 40th lady here.
Yeah, I'm big up to.
Holy puppy.
Yeah, big up to all the people.
You to owe him lots of words. Big up to the KC3 and you can.
Excess of people, and Melbourne people.
Big up Queens.
Big up my friend
Casey.
Timo. Who else I must big up?
Why?
Big up baby mother them.
But Barry, you don't have a baby mama to begin with.
I have a baby. You know about my
I do, because I'm supposed to be your wife. Oh, so you have to tell me something new. Yeah.
You see, I try to keep a professional
True
show.
to own out
You have
some of
to
the
bring-
truth.
You have to bring the private life into the conversation.
No, I have to bring the private life in the conversation because we have to clarify this matter.
So when you never reach home last night till after 3, where did it?
I was actually playing dominoes
No, where
with a
did it?
friend.
Domino's is your friend.
I like
and if I go
dominoes.
there, go visit.
No, I'm not that.
After three.
I was working late.
Oh, what is
And-
tricking at the book?
No, I don't know what the chicken bug. No, I was literally working late. More at night shift here, people. Don't let the outfit fool you.
We're there in a Wyndham Hilton Hotel and Pegasus area, though. Come on, what kind of work in here to do? That's why you're bringing too much money.
I will tell you.
That's why you're bringing too much money and that's lost from what it.
Yo, people, I'm honestly truthful to myself.
You know what I'm doing? You know, just take the show.
Seriously?
Call
No.
it the show, Pepita show. We're done. Like, that's it.
No, that's not fair though. That's not fair. Okay, no, camera, come back to me. Wait up on the show. No, alright. So we're gonna get this back. Okay, it's the Pepita show. Barry, we have it. Barry.
We can't work it like this. We can't work it like this.
No, but y'all bring on the personal.
You can bring the private life in front of all the people about Facebook. Because my name dirty. Okay?
That and the fact that your glasses No, to the camera for me. I'm sure the glasses did look.
Yeah, because it was hung down.
No, your glasses. Alright.